The World Meteorological Organization said Thursday that June was the 14th month in a row of record heat for land and oceans. It also marked the 378th consecutive month with temperatures above the 20th century average.
What we've seen so far for the first 6 months of 2016 is really quite alarming.
UN climate experts say this year suggests that the planet can warm up faster than expected in a much shorter time. The Northern Hemisphere, including the U.S. state of Alaska, Canada and Russia, have had unusually warm temperatures.
I think we're very uncomfortable at how much this surprised us, which might be just a little more cautious way of saying fearful about what happens next. If we got this much surprise this year, how many more surprises are ahead of us?
Scientists say carbon dioxide emissions, which are blamed for global warming, also have reached new highs.
What the WMO are showing is that temperature is going up alongside the increases in carbon dioxide. There's really no doubt that these global warming gases are causing the kind of changes that we're seeing in the increased temperatures, threats to the Arctic and threats to the Greenland ice sheet and so on. So there's really no time to waste in getting on and doing something about it.
Representatives of some 200 governments will meet in November in Morocco to start enforcing the implementation of the Paris Agreement, which limits global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Not an easy task.
We have this moral obligation between the Paris Agreement reached in December, the 22nd of April signing, and now the November meeting to ensure that at least 55 countries representing 55% of world emissions of greenhouse gases ratify the Paris Agreement.
And even if that goal is reached in November, some scientists say it may be too little, too late. Zlatica Ho, VOA News, Washington.